My name is Adrian P and I'm the owner of this house. We are in Reseda. I saw my neighbor, he already installed one, and he explained to me all advantages, and I began to be interested in installing a system like this. From advertising, and I called them, and I start to deal this installing the solar system. Daniel Ginsburg was the salesman, was a very good guy, and he spent his time to make me to understand how it works, this solar system, and also he offered me a very good deal, financing deal. With a lot of questions which I got for him, he answered very nicely to understand how the system works. I will see when will come the first electrical bill to get a lot of savings on the electrical bill, which last summer was very high, and I guess that is the benefits for the solar system. The technology is very good. I'm very impressed with how the company worked, and with the installation and everything. Yeah, I'm very happy with this company. How the people inside the company work with me, the sellers, the project manager, the installer, they did a very good job. The company spent a lot of time working with me and on this system, so it's a very good company. I will recommend them to everybody.